got a brand new beauty box from Next, and it's a charity box with money going towards the King's Trust. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a new beauty box from Next. There's a couple of new beauty boxes on their websites, including mystery boxes and men's grooming boxes as well. You'll find a link to this one and all the others down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look. This is the Inspiring Woman beauty box in partnership with the King's Trust Change for Girls Life. It costs £20 a box. It has a value of £75. And for every box sold, £2 will be going to the King's Trust, and it's to help young girls transform their lives while supporting them into work. So let's see what's inside. I'll give you a sneak peek first. Whenever Next bring out new beauty boxes, I always have trouble choosing which one I want to buy to share with you, but not with this one. This one is a standout one. It's got brushes. I'm obsessed with makeup brushes, so I couldn't resist. But it just had some really nice products in there, a little bit different, a few different brands. Although I absolutely love Next, I'm constantly purchasing off their website. I do find some of their boxes are samey, as in you see the same sort of products or the same brands in there. So it is nice to see something that's a little bit different, which we haven't seen before. So let's start off then with the brushes. Got a set of Spectrum brushes, and this is the Brush Club 3-piece face brush set. Tools for application and blending of foundation, blush and bronze and concealer. Now I love the colour of these. I've already got them, but it doesn't matter. I think, did I get them in an advent calendar? Maybe. Look, they're beautiful, aren't they? They're so pretty. I haven't got this colour. I think they're pink. Really gorgeous brushes. If you've never tried Spectrum before, they are really, really good. They're synthetic bristles, just super soft, really easy to use. They're lovely. I really love that one. That's a nice, thick, fluffy one for blush or highlight. Bronze is up to you. Up to you what you do. This is one I'm least likely to use, if I'm honest. It's a foundation brush, but I prefer more fluffier brushes for applying my foundation, and that's a nice little sort of contour brush or highlight, whatever you decide to do. But yeah, I like them and they're really pretty. Got something wrapped up here. This is from Neals Yard Remedies, and it's an aromatic foaming bath. There's 200 ml, relaxes and soothes with soothing blend of lavender, Spanish marjoram and geranium essential oils. This is a gorgeous brand. I was lucky enough to receive an advent calendars of theirs a couple of years ago, and it's so luxurious, so beautiful. I'm not sure if the camera is picking this up well, but these bottles are blue. Can you see a slight blue tint? Blue glass are just beautiful. They're really, really nice. We don't have a bath, but I do use foot baths, so I'll be keeping that for that. So yeah, it's a blend of lavender, Spanish marjoram and geranium. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Then we got Hello Sundays. This is SPF 50, the mauve one, tinted lip balm, shea butter, hyaluronic acid. So it's a tinted lip balm. I love the fact it's got SPF 50 in it. It's not really a colour I would go for, but it's a lip tint, so I'm sure it's not going to be as pigmented on my lips. We'll see. I am surprised actually, the colour. On my hand it stands out quite a bit, doesn't it? Having a look at it here, it has got more like a peachy undertone to it, which is lovely. Yeah, I think I'll be alright with that actually. It's just sometimes shades like this with my pale skin and my non-veneered teeth doesn't make my teeth look great. Unfortunately, that is something I'd love to do though. Oh my gosh, I'd love it. I would love it if I could afford it. Maybe one day. We got mascara from BadGal Bang. Not BadGal Bang, sorry, Benefit BadGal Bang. This is a gorgeous mascara, one of my favourites. Really, really pigmented, super, super black, long lasting. The wand is fab on my short, straight lashes. Then we've got a hair oil. This is Moroccanoil treatment for all hair types, and there's 10 ml. There. A hair oil for your hair. And then lastly, this is a full-size bronzer from bareminerals, and it's in shade Warmth. This retails for £25. Let's see if I can get that out. Oh, I've just broken the little lid to peel it back. Ah! but hopefully you can see there. Oh no, I haven't got anything here. I've just tried smashing the top. I'm going to have to get a knife or something to open that. All over face colour in shade Warmth. Those are all the products inside the brand new NYX Inspiring Woman beauty box. I'd love to hear your thoughts, what you think of it, and thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.